That's when your license could get suspended or even revoked. So it really depends on what Pete's driving history has been.
And I don't think I want to be Pete Davidson either, because he has been charged with reckless driving after crashing his car into a Beverly Hills home back in March. He was charged with 1 count of reckless driving 3 months after the accident took place. His arraignment is scheduled for next month. So he was driving in the Flats neighborhoods of Beverly Hills with his girlfriend when he lost control of the vehicle. His car reportedly jumped the curb and destroyed a fire hydrant before crashing into the side of a nearby home. He left marks on the lawn. Police were called to the scene. Nobody was arrested. They said no alcohol played a factor in the incident. That the only person that was home was the homeowner's 16-year-old daughter at the time. She was not injured. But can Pete face jail time for something like this, or will he, just have his license suspended or revoked?
Scheana, it's possible, but it's very unlikely Pete Davidson is going to get jail time. And this is why, obviously I live in Los Angeles, and in the city of Los Angeles, our district attorney doesn't prosecute cases very aggressively. And this particular case, because it just involved property damage, it's only a misdemeanor. So the fact that Pete Davidson is likely going to be charged with a misdemeanor here in LA County, this is typically going to be a probation type of case, not a jail time type of case.
So probably license suspended, or will he have to pay a fine or something like that?
Well, potentially. So the suspension issue and the prosecution issue are separate. So the suspension issue would be handled by the DMV, and it's a point system. So reckless driving tends to be a 2-point offense. So if you accumulate a certain number of points, these aren't good points, these are bad points, over a certain period of time, that's when your license could get suspended or even revoked. So it really depends on what Pete's driving history has been. The charges are separate. So, theoretically, Pete Davidson could have his license suspended but not be prosecuted, or it could be prosecuted and charged and his license might be totally okay. So it's the DA that'll handle the charges and the DMV that'll handle the license issue.
For more news content and exclusive interviews, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below and visit usmagazine.com.